All right, so I've recorded myself counting to 60, and these timestamps are also displayed on the screen. Pretty bang on. You see 60 seconds at the 1 minute, 1 millisecond mark. So I'm going to play it back and hit my L key to speed up playback, and you'll see how the talking gets out of sync. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. You see, as soon as I paused it there, it skipped from like 48 to 60. So it was like 12 seconds off in 1 minute of playback, which is a lot. And same thing, I'll do it once more and watch. When I pause, the difference between the two the video will catch up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
ready?
20,
I'm gonna pause it.
21, 22. See, it went from 17 to 22. So hopefully that illustrates the issue. Let me know if I can help anymore.